Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying to see if my potatoes are ready. I am not sure because I wasn't counting the time, but let me see this one. So up here looks very dry. I'm going to put the sticks to the side and I'm going to, let's see, Daniel. Let's go in and see what we have. So we have, but they look tiny. Can you see that? Yeah. All right, so it's dried out. So we have little potatoes. I guess we're getting, this is one. This is two. Why do they look so dry? So that is what I got from that one. That's that. Oh my sweet Lord. So we're gonna try this one.
There's a potato.
Oh, there's a potato right there. Let's see. Here. I'm gonna go around it. They look baby, right? Oh, we need that. Let's
Two.
There's sweet potatoes, right? Oh, there's one.
Okay. We have mini potatoes. We have mini potatoes.
Oh,
And then another one.
we got that too.
Some of them are really deep.
Oh, wow, look at that. Well, they were calling my name, so I came to their rescue. All right, so we're gonna see. This is a little ginger, so I'm gonna let that stay. This is seaweed there on top. This is ginger, but I'm gonna see what's here. Okay, potato,
We do potatoes.
potato, potato. Ooh,
Wow.
potato.
Big potato.
That's a big one.
Biggest potato we have.
Daddy did when I do that. Oh,
And
this is
then the
something.
miniest tomato. I mean potato.
That's ginger, probably. No, this is turmeric.
So
Leave that alone. It's turmeric.
it'll still grow if you
Yeah.
just pop it.
Look at it. So here it is right there, but we gotta leave our turmeric. But these are potatoes that I am getting out of here. Let's try this one right here. This is where we have sweet potato and potatoes, right? So here is one again. Oh, we can see it. Let's see. Look, let me put it right here. Oh, this is just. You don't want to see these?
That's
You're
fine.
scapping off that one? Trying to see what we, because I don't want to dig out where, I don't want to dig out I don't want to get out the other ones because they're not ready yet. I don't want to get out the, you know what I'm talking, right?
Yeah.
The sweet potato one. I just want to get out the potatoes because I know that the sweet potato is going to take a little longer. So look at this. Somebody got potatoes and drop the rest of them in soup. Let's try this one. We got some here.
There's growing potatoes everywhere.
Mm. Let's see, right? This is it right here.
There's one.
Mm. That's a lot more than these are a little tinier. I'm trying to figure you out. You know that they sell these little ones at the supermarket, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, purple potatoes.
Do you have any more?
Wow. I dig way down and find that. Um, No, no, no. I don't want to lose the rest. This one purple one for me. Purple one. Say what? See that? I'm gonna check back in another. I'm gonna check back at the end of July.
July.
Yes. That's it for today, guys. We were reaping potatoes. This is my special type. It's not too big. It's my first time planting this one. But we have some good little potatoes we can put in soup or make like a rasta potato or a potato salad, right? Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.